Want to see a car brake automatically? Or want to create a car that stops by itself? Hi, I am Manish Gupta and welcome to Cybersox. In this video, we are going to make automatic braking system car. Automatic braking system car uses IR sensor and buzzer. When IR sensor detects something is ahead of it, so it will stop the car and alert you by using buzzer. Let's build our robot. Alright everyone, now it's time to build our robot. Today we will be using Cybersox Robot Kit 2.0 step by step from scratch. This kit is specially designed for make robotics fun, simple and hands-on. So your kid can learn robotics and programming. Assemble your car using Cybersox car assembly manual. First connect our USB to our brain. Now let's connect other end of the USB to our computer. Connect 2-pin cable connected to right motor to RM port and 2-pin cable connected to left motor to LM port. Now connect 3-pin cable to IR sensor and other end of the 3-pin cable to sensor 1 port. Now connect 3-pin cable to buzzer and other end of the 3-pin cable to sensor 2 port. Connect IR sensor in front of our car. Place the plate and put the buzzer. Let's open up our Google Chrome and search Cybo Socks and hit enter and visit cybersource.com. Click on learn, choose documentation, click on projects, search braking and click on automatic braking system car. Now scroll to flowchart. Let's move forward to understand program logic of our robot. Let's understand flowchart of our program. We are starting our program. We are connecting IR sensor to our brain. Then we are connecting buzzer to our brain. If IR sensor detects something, means something is ahead of car, it will stop our motors and set the buzzer on and off. Otherwise, a car will move forward and we will set the buzzer off and we will repeat this process again. Let's understand the algorithm. We are connecting IR sensor buzzer, then we are starting infinite loop. If IR detected something which is IR value is 0, then we will stop the car and beep our buzzer. Otherwise, we will move forward and repeat from step 3 again. Let's code our program. Now let's move to code building steps. For step 1, we are going to create sensor pin. We will be using get IR sensor to create IR pin and get buzzer to create buzzer pin. So our IR sensor and buzzer can be connected to our brain. Go to pins and sensor, pick get IR sensor, write IR. Go to pins and sensor, pick get buzzer block, write buzzer. Choose sensor 2. Step 2 is start infinite loop. Go to control, pick while do block. Go to math and logic, pick true block. So we can create an infinite loop. For step 3, we will be creating helper motor movement functions. In this, we are going to create two functions, forward and stop. Forward for moving our car move forward and stop for stopping our car. Go to functions, pick define block, right forward. Now go to car actions, pick set left motor right motor block. Set left motor direction to clockwise, right motor direction to clockwise. So car can move forward. Again go to diff functions, pick define variable block, write function name, stop. Now go to car actions, pick stop both motor block to stop our car. Now for the step 4, we are going to detect an obstacle ahead of car. If there is obstacle, we will apply the brakes, means stop the car. Otherwise, we will move forward. So when IR value is 0, means something detected, we will stop our car and beep our buzzer. Go to control, pick if block. Go to operators, pick comparison block. Choose equal to. Go to ESP logic, pick read digital value block. So write it here IR. Go to variables and string, pick value block, write 0. Now go to functions, pick function call block, write stop. Now go to ESP logic, pick pin value block. We want our buzzer pin be on, so write buzzer pin name, that is buzzer. Now go to time, pick weight block, write 0.2, duplicate pin value block, choose off, duplicate weight block. For the step 5, if there is no obstacle, we will move forward. Click on wheel icon, pick else and put it beneath if, duplicate function call block, write forward, duplicate buzzer is off block, put it here, duplicate wait block. Now our code is completed. Click on connect pin button, choose USB serial and click on connect. After connecting successfully, click on run code. Now compare flowchart with our program. We are connecting IR sensor and buzzer. To achieve this, we are using get IR sensor, get buzzer. We are checking if IR value is 0. We are checking if value coming from IR is 0. If true, we are stopping our motor and set buzzer on and off. To achieve this, we are calling stop function and setting our buzzer value to on and buzzer value to off. If it is false, we are moving forward and set buzzer off. If it is false, we are calling forward function and setting buzzer value to off, and we will repeat this process again. We are repeating this process again. Great job! Now you know how to make a car that brakes automatically and a car that can stop by itself. For the upcoming video, we are going to make edge detector that check the edges and stop by itself. If you understand how to check if there is car ahead of it and stop the car when it is needed, if you understand, please like our video and subscribe our channel.